Yeah, bless up, y'all. It's Micaiah, the pharmacist here, Freehaven Farms, doing my thing. You see, I'm getting this bed ready right here. So this is one of my raised beds, okay? I'm about to actually put in here some of my, you know what that is? Take a guess. I'm gonna tell you. These are my Bok Choy plugs. So I love Bok Choy, one of my favorite cabbage. It's an Asian cabbage, grows really, really fast. So I can harvest it really quick, and then it's a one-time harvest. So the other cabbage takes a long time to grow and takes up a lot of space. So for me, what works better in the cabbage family is the Bok Choy as a farmer. That's maximizing my space. So there's a strategy to the actual varieties that I use, what plants I use, which beds I choose to put them in, and then there's a science to me rotating them. So what I had in here before was not in the brassica family. Okay, I had a root vegetable in there, had some beets in there, they're gone. I'm rotating that out. Now I'm gonna put something in the brassica family there. So I'm not gonna deplete the soil. I'll make sure that I'm switching it out, all right? And man, there's so many advantages to me using a raised bed right here, especially when I use wood that's native to the land right here. Like I use these logs that I cut into place. They decompose over time, break back down in the soil, and just become a nice home for your bioactivity in there. We're talking about the bugs, the good ones that are inside of your soil, the microorganisms that you can't even really see with your eyes, but it's important to having living soil. That's the key to the sauce. That's how we make it grow, this living soil. But look, man, I probably told y'all too much already. Why don't you go ahead and sign up for our course, all right, that Grow Your Own Garden course, so I can give you all the lessons, show you how to put this plan together, all right? Figure out which plants you want to put in the ground, figure out where we want to put them, all right? Figure out what's best to do right now, what things we should be doing to get ready for the springtime right now, and everything else. It's a great investment, okay? It's not that much. And the lessons are gonna get sent to you. So as soon as the class is over, you're gonna get an email with those lessons. So if you missed any parts, you can watch it over and over again. You know, like we say, knowledge is empowering, especially when you could apply it. So go ahead, click the link in the bio, get this class, and invest in your health, generational wealth. Stay rooted, keep growing. Blast.